We're going to start with the balancing takeout double. And like I said, it can be anyone at the table, any position, opener or responder or intervener or advancer. It just has to be that when it's your turn to call, you look at the auction, and if you pass, that will be the third pass in a row. It's gone pass to you. You are now you're in the balancing seat. Sometimes you could call it the reopening seat. The balancing seat means that if you pass, the auction's over, right? So you can be in any one of those positions, characters in the story. As long as it goes pass to you, you are now in the balancing seat. So let's take a look at what your takeout double would look like. We have two auctions on the screen here. West opens one heart, and North passes, East passes, and look at South's hand. South has 4 points in spades, 4 points in diamonds, and they're about to make a takeout double. Okay, so balancing doubles is a type of takeout double. And so they get to count 3 points for that singleton. Well, that brings them, including their short points, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. When you're in the balancing seat and you're considering a balancing takeout double, the idea is that you are bidding your partner's points. So let's take a look at that a little bit deeper. One heart by West. North passes. East passes. So what does that mean? East has less than 6 points. And you as South have only 8 high card points, right? 8 high card points. So you have to ask yourself, if there's 40 high card points in the deck and East has less than 6, and West opened one heart, they didn't open 2 clubs showing a really strong hand. So they have 12 to 21 points, right? So there's some high card points missing here, and they're sitting in North's hand, the partner of South. They're sitting in partner's hand. So your balancing double doesn't have to be as strong as a direct takeout double, because you, as the balancing seat, you're protecting your partner, who obviously has some points here. North has to have some values there. Even if West has a super big hand, North still has high card points in their hand. They just didn't have the right shape. Either they didn't have a long suit to overcall, or perhaps they had length in hearts, so they couldn't make a takeout double. So think of your balancing takeout double as about a king less of what you would have in the direct seat. So you'd have 13 plus total points in the direct seat. And in the balance seat, you'd have more like 10 total points. 8 or 9 high card points, some shortness in the opening bid suit, but basically 10 or more total points.